Hello and thanks for checking out TheChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on SPY, IWM, and QQQ. So the SPY bulls are at it again. Higher lows, higher highs, all-time high for the 4th day in a row. Didn't close as close to the high as we have seen the past few days. The upper Bollinger Band is rejecting the price the past 2 days as well. That is a resistance level to be watching. And other than that, we're just looking up at 253.44 and 254 as resistance levels. Every consolidation we've seen over the past 5 days has bounced off of the hourly 20-period moving average support. So losing that level will be an initial signal for the start of consolidation. The weekly time frame for SPY is in breakout mode. We're above the upper Bollinger Band. There is no resistance in sight. This is the furthest above the weekly upper Bollinger Band that we have been since back here in December in response to the election. So that's significant as well, showing that we're pretty extended. But again, as long as there's no resistance, overextended doesn't mean the same thing as it does when there is resistance. IWM might be giving us some clues. We are now consolidating. We've seen 19 days in a row with a higher low. Tomorrow, if we break the low of 149.39, we will be on our way to confirming this bearish reversal spinning top and seeing the start of normal healthy consolidation. IWM can potentially act as the canary in the coal mine, where if IWM begins to consolidate, we can look for the potential of SPY to consolidate in response as well. I'll be watching for that correlation. The weekly time frame, we've got a very strong candlestick, no sign of slowdown at this point, and we would have to see a couple days of pullback the next 2 days to see a bearish reversal candlestick, but that's assuming a lot. We have to be patient and wait to see if the daily chart breaks the higher low pattern. That's the first thing that we're going to be looking for, and as of right now, it has not happened yet. QQQ, all-time high of 146.37. We did not break that level. We pulled back by 4 cents, so it's a double top at the all-time high. And we are watching here as well, higher lows on the daily time frame the last 7 days in a row. If we lose the higher lows and we reject from this double top, then we know normal healthy consolidation is likely coming. And that's the bottom line. For all of these markets, we're so strong that we can pull back very significantly and still be in normal healthy consolidation. I'll be watching volume. I'll be watching the amount of downside we see, but certainly not anticipating a dump or crash or anything like that. We're just looking to cool off for a few days, let the hourly RSI levels cool off, and look for a new higher low to be established on these daily time frames. The weekly for QQQ, extremely strong. Just all-time high resistance before we see blue sky breakout. It's the only market that hasn't done it recently, and we've been watching the other markets do it day after day. So definitely missing out on action, but still very strong. Again, it's comparative. So you look at this chart on its own, and it is extremely strong, but you compare it to the other names, and it's not as strong. So that's what we've got as we head into tomorrow. We'll be watching IWM in the higher low pattern. Most specifically, I will be. And we'll check back in tomorrow. See you then.